I'm Christine L, and this is our counterchange project, like our black and white counterchange project. To start out, we did 6 thumbnails. Most of us did 6 thumbnails. And we chose one that we thought was the best, and I chose this one because this one had the most detail and it had the most that I could use the most black and white to get the most amount of counterchange. And then I did this in a larger sketchbook than most people, so I just transferred it. I traced it with trace paper, and then I just used that and went straight to my final piece after planning out my black and white. And so basically I picked this mostly because of the pattern over here and the basket. It had a lot of detail, and the pattern was very nice, and I really liked how it came out.
What materials did you use, Christine?
Mostly I used ink, and then I also used Sharpie to refine it. We also used acrylic paint to fix up any places that we messed up on, or that we felt could use touching up.
And approximately how long do you think it took you to complete this project?
This project, I would think it took me, like, the thumbnails took only a day, yeah, and then the tracing and the moving on to the final piece took about another 2 days, I think. And then the actual final project took at least 3 days because of all the ink and how many layers you had to put over. Overall, I think it was a week and a half, I believe, would be a good estimate on how long it took to do.